Pressure is the measurement of a force applied over an area. The equation to calculate pressure is pressure equals force divided by area. Let's imagine that a 200-pound man stood on the top of this table that has a 10 square foot area. Assuming the man's weight could be evenly distributed across the table, the pressure exerted on the table would be 20 pounds per square foot. However, pressure is typically measured in pounds per square inch, so we will need to do a unit conversion. A square foot is equivalent to 144 square inches, so we will multiply our answer by 1 square foot over 144 square inches, which results in a 0.14 pounds per square inch, or PSI.
I like to explain pressure in this way using things we understand. Let's say I took my hand and I press it against this wall. It's not likely to push through the wall, right? The drywall and the wood studs are enough to hold my hand back. Well, why is that? It's because the force I'm applying is applied over the area of my hand and there's not enough pressure to go through the wall. But on the other hand, if I take a thumbtack that I'm holding right here and I use even a much lighter force, it's gonna penetrate right into the wall. Well, why is that? Well, because the area at the tip of this thumbtack is so small that even when I apply a lighter force, that force divided by that very small area is a high pressure and it penetrates through the wall.
What force is required to exert a 30 psi pressure on an area of 10 square inches? In this problem, we are given the pressure and area and asked to find the force. Let's rearrange the equation to solve for force. To isolate F, we will multiply both sides of the equation by the area, A. Now we can see that force equals pressure times area. The last step is to multiply 30 pounds per square inch by 10 square inches. The force required to generate 30 psi over a 10 square inch surface is 300 pounds.